It's like I've came out of the Stone Age now. I mean, it's so quick. That's the only thing I can say great about it, is that it's so much quicker to do that.
COM Cards are our ColorVision Order Management system.
Before COM Cards, I was always having to write down throughout the week and then get it to Chase through via email or call him in, and he would come in and take the photo of it and get it sent off to you guys.
It's a daunting job for them to keep up with their supplies. I think it's taking what used to take them, 30 plus minutes to actually put an order together, and it was all handwritten. Handwriting is not always real legible, and they're having to read through it and then figure out what it says. And sometimes we thought wrong, and that could affect the order going out and affect their production.
So I'll get out, and I have my phone, and it's got the PPG app on it. Open it up, and I stay logged into it. So I just hit my login, goes to the barcode area, and then you type in the date, is what I usually do for the paint order name. And then I hit the scan button, and I scan all the barcodes that I need for a product that week.
And it's a good detailed order. They've got all the information in front of them, so they're not guessing, because we've also provided inventory levels for them based on their usage.
Because before it would take me quite a while, so I would miss the morning delivery. Now my stuff's here first thing in the morning on the same day.
We're trying to maximize our efficiencies with theirs to deliver once a week.
We don't ever have to shut down production waiting on something. Say I ran out of a gallon of paint. I tried to order other distributors that I've dealt with before take a week to get that paint because it's a special color. ColorVision, they got the formula on a T, and I never have to worry about it not matching.
That service level, I don't feel that there's anybody else in the marketplace that does what we do.
They're just an essential part of my life. It saves me so much time, hours of time to get stuff ready. Now I can focus on other things like my titrations or mill checking the bodies.
I don't believe we've had really any hot shot deliveries since we've implemented it, and it's working really well.